What's up? Today you cooking with trivia once again. So today I'm gonna be preparing my country style ribs. Um, you know the ones sometimes you can get them from Walmart, Kroger's, Sam's have them sometimes. But I already washed them. I'm boiling them. Most people put stuff on grill. We ain't got time for that. It's too hot. So I rinse them off. I'm gonna put my season on there. I like to put my season on the meat before I actually put it in the water, and then I season my water as well. So therefore, let's get to it. Okay, I had to fix some lighting, and it looked like I still need to fix some lighting. So, I got to have my name of this episode. Let me come on the light on. Okay. Shut. Got to have my lemon and pepper. Gotta open it. My water is boiling. I'm trying to hurry up. So, I put a little lemon pepper on this. And I put a little some on here. You gotta move it around. Make sure you keep your hands clean at all times when fooling with meat. Honey, it might look like I'm spraying this everywhere, but I'm not. You gotta have the Creole seasoning. Can you see it? I put a little bit of water, put some on my meat, honey. Now, if y'all want me to start putting the recipe in the description of what I do, how much I use, all that, please let me know. Please let me know. Because if you don't tell me, guess what? Your girl ain't gonna know. Oh, a little bit of slap your mama. You might think it's a lot, but it's not. And then the last but not least, black pepper. But I put the black pepper on my pot, not my meat. Oops, I lied. One more. And a little bit of crushed red peppers. Well, this one ain't open. Let me get one that's open. If I got one that's open. Oh, yes, I got one. I just put it in the water. Ooh. Mind you once again. Hold on, you can't see me. Remind you once again, I am going to barbecue this after it boils. I like to boil it. Like if I do decide to put it on the grill, I like to boil it. Then put it on the grill, especially thick pieces like this. See how thick this is? And be so tender that it just fall apart. Now, I don't have no honey. So, I'm doing the black way today. I got some Popeyes. Wait a minute. Yeah, Popeyes chicken honey. And that's what I'm going to use with my brown sugar. So, I ain't got that many of them. So, my water's boiling. I'm just going to start sitting in here. I'm hoping all of it fit. Now, don't worry if, like, your season is not on both sides of your meat. You gotta think about it. That's why I put it in the water, too. I just put it on there. I usually also use, crushed garlic. But I ran out. And every time I go to the store, guess what? Sure, you forget. But by the way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, okay? I'm trying to do better. Trying to get up there. It's a little piece. Trying to get my subscribers up there, y'all. I'm like at I think 160 something. 160 something. Yes, they all fit. Okay. Done fully put my hands in the meat. So it's time to wash this hand off, honey. So dry my hands, honey. So you can put that cold meat up in there. It's better to do it when it's unthawed. Like if it's frozen, just let it sit for a little minute and let it do that. And I don't mean I'm brown sugar. On my face. And then when that do what it do, I'll put a little bit in here right now. See, and then not only that, if you don't have a grill, like outdoors grill, you know, now they got them that you can do like indoors grill, like if you want to get that smoky flavor. Or you can get like, if you have a flat pan, you put it in the oven. A lot, like if you want that smoke smell, you know, flavor to it, you get the flat pan, you get some wood chips. You can get like apple wood chips, put it in the flat pan. Then get another pan, put your meat in, but you know, make sure it's flat. That your meat gotta be, you know, flat, not stacked on top of each other, but flat. Put it in the oven for 350. And you know, as you go, as it cook, boom, flip it over, let it get that, you know, soak in. So that wood chip smell will get up in the meat. And it'll be so good. And you swear you did it on the grill outside. But I'm just going to boil it. I don't feel like doing all that. I don't feel like cooking. So I'm going to let this boil. And then I'm going to come back when it's time for me to, you know, do what I do. And then I'm going to put the brown sugar in there and the honey. Now, you can get honey from like the Dollar Tree or any grocery store. But I'm out of honey. And that's all the honey I got. And I want honey because I want it to be like a hint between a kick of spice and a kick of, you know, sweet. I got the golden brown sugar, the candy cane sugar, and I'm also using the sweet brown sugar barbecue sauce. So I'll be back when this gets done. And also when I'm cooking with this is I might do some green beans. I don't want to do cornbread because I'm not a bread person. So I might just do green beans, macaroni, and cheese. I might do that. But let me show y'all how it looks so far. Before I put the top on. You see that? Make sure you see how my water length is. And I'm just going to sit here and let that come to a boil. And I'll be back, honey. Be back.